These are all real life things on jobs that resulted in people not being able to move into their homes. The project being delayed because so much work had to go on to fix this. In this case here, two trades, the electrician, clueless, the plumber, absolutely clueless. Fail, see you later, bye, reinspection fee. This was a pretty difficult one to fix. This got caught like late in the project. There's an electrician drilling right through the flange. That's where all the weight is being carried. It's being transferred from flange to flange. If you could see how the weight gets transferred, that's how it goes. You got it. You just compromise the structural number. It's a red flag that you have no idea what you're doing. Absolutely clueless. And that you don't care, or you didn't have a conversation, you didn't talk. So obviously that's a huge thumbs down. Look at that. What it took to fix that. And that wasn't the only problem on that project.